It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the AT4. The driver's door has power locks, the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors with the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash, such as normal, sport, and off-road. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials. Just below that is our park brake. Rubber floor mats on the floor with a removable carpeted insert, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior with Kalahari seat inserts, and AT4 embroidery in both headrests. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons, and on the right side we have our audio controls and voice commands. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead we have OnStar. This is GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with our trailering app, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. To the right we have hitch guidance as well as hitch view. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, hill descent control, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, the trailer brake controller, some USB ports, and power plug-ins. To the left here is our engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while holding the button down to start the truck. At the front of the AT4 we have red tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have the turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push that silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. Dual exhaust, and this truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It's also got GMC's MultiPro tailgate step, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has 2 cup holders, the rear fans, and some USB ports and a power plug-in. Our middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We also have behind the seat storage found behind either one of those rear seats, as well as under seat storage located by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.